What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, I'm gonna cut the ribbon
when
so
you're gonna
that
show them the surprise. I like that. Can you even tell? Probably not.
so that way you can make the bow while I'm putting the sign on the wreath.
Actually, guys, I put this ribbon on the shelf. How many did you do? 5? 5?
Yeah, that's how many we're gonna do. Y'all, look how pretty this. So this is a red felt, almost red felt, and we're gonna pair it with this sign. If you can look at the very bottom of the sign, it says Merry Christmas in the same bright red. So we're gonna pair those together. And then I had this base already done. So we just gotta fix it a little bit. So y'all, on these bases, we just want to make sure that we have it kind of fluffed out a little bit so that it looks nice and full. Nope, we don't have any kits made, y'all. You have to go to the website and order each thing individual. All right. So y'all, just a simple white glitter base. We're going to take this sign and add it right in the middle. Y'all, to do that, I'm going to staple. Let's put one here.
Done with the bow. Let me cut these.
Let's put it on there first and see. All right, y'all. So this edge is a little thin. So if you're really good with your staple gun, you can do it. If you're scared of your staple gun, staple on the side.
Why couldn't you just do hot glue?
Because the glue won't hold up that good. All right. So y'all, we're gonna just slide this into the center. Get our sign added.
Where are we gonna put this?
Y'all, we got glitter everywhere.
And
All right.
this stuff. What did you do that for?
Because I think we have too many loops. We might have to make it a little bit smaller than we were expecting. Let's see. Yeah, so all the ribbon, the church sign, and the wreath all came out of the shop today. So y'all, I took a few layers of the bow off.
There was 5, now there's 3.
Right? So just made it a little bit smaller than what it was. And then we'll just get it attached down here at the bottom corner. That's why I told y'all not to get that and not. Y'all don't want to listen. Y'all was trying to be lazy.
Should have gotten guys.
Do I have numbers for the wreath and the church? Y'all, I threw them away. But if you go to the news section, it'll be there because it's in all the stuff that came in today. You can get the Kids Bow Maker at DecoExchange.com. So y'all, I wanted to, I want my bow to make sure it stands right where I put it. So I just put a little bit of hot glue against the bottom of the sign. And now I'm pressing the bow up into the bottom of the wreath. Okay, so what do we think about this one? Y'all. It's right over there. So just a simple little wreath with a big red bow and a cute little church.
With some lights.
Yeah. Y'all, this spot right here needs a little bit of fluffing. Watch your finger down there. Hot glue. Just real simple.